Do you listen to respond, or do you listen to understand? Believe me, there's a difference. For so many years, um, I listened to respond. Now, there was a couple of reasons. Let me tell you why. One, I was thinking probably that what I had to say was more important than what you had to say. Two, I was scared I was going to forget what I had to say, so I needed to get it out. So I interrupted you. And three, I just didn't have respect. Bottom line is, it is so disrespectful. I had to learn to get a notepad and write down, because I know I'm going to forget, or I know that I'm not going to remember that particular point once you finish, right? So if that takes a notepad, then write it down. Just something to jog your memory, so therefore you can bring up or, respond to that particular question or that particular statement that your partner has said. But that is one of the best gifts that you can give your partner, is to listen to understand. Somebody said it, and I don't know who, so I can't even give credit, but there's a reason that we have one mouth and two ears. 2 ears. One mouth. And that's just because we are supposed to listen more than we talk. We don't always do that. So I'm going to suggest that the next time that your partner wants to have a conversation, even if you do this, even if you do this, I don't care what you do, but listen. And before you speak, say, "Are you finished?" Not in a condescending way. I just want to be respectful before I start to chime in. I want to make sure that you have said what you needed to say. Now, with that said, they have to give you that same respect. You have to get out everything that you need to get out. Goes both ways, right? While you're having these conversations, make sure that you don't have any distractions. Cell phone, kids, in-laws, animals. Just concentrate on what your partner's saying, because I can guarantee you they wouldn't be saying it if they didn't think it was important. And what they need from you is for you to say and to feel it's important too. In the Ultimate Relationship eWorkbook, we have a whole section on communication. Thought-provoking questions that can be able to allow you and your partner to see how you normally communicate and how you need to communicate with them. You both can get insight, and then go get you your adult beverage, get you some little, takeout, put those babies to bed, and then that can be date night. I don't know about you, but sometimes with little ones, whether they got 4 legs or they got 2, sometimes it's hard to get in date night. So it doesn't say anything. There's no rules that says we have to leave the house. We just have to be alone. So go put those babies to bed and snuggle up with each other with a blanket after you've gone and answered these questions, and then discuss them. It's the best investment that you can make in your relationship. So, if you enjoyed, drop the word in the comments. Listen. Make sure you're following because we got some good information about communication. So, we'll see you next time, lovers.